Welcome to our video about conclusions. When you're concluding your essay, the main goal is to wrap up all of the points that you've made throughout the essay. So, usually conclusions contain two main things: a summary of your argument and your key reasons for that argument, and then a bit of discussion or a summary of why that is important. That could be the implications, or you could ask yourself, so what? Why is this all meaningful? What does this all mean for my particular field? So let's have a look at an example. Here's an example from the essay that we've looked at before about tick-borne encephalitis. First of all, the author summarizes their argument that they're looking at the associated risk of climate change and tick-borne encephalitis. Then they go through each of their key reasons, and these reasons follow the order that they took in the essay. Finally, they wrap up by indicating why their argument is important, and that ties back to their risk assessment. So they're arguing that tick-borne encephalitis must become a public health priority. Now for this essay, that's enough to conclude on. For other essays, when you're talking about the implications or when you're talking about overall why is your argument significant, you might be doing a more discursive essay where you're talking about the field and a particular debate or problem in the field. So thinking about why has your argument been important for that debate, that problem in the field is useful. A top tip for essays is that the conclusion should not contain any new information. So if you find that you're talking about another example or another case or another piece of evidence in your conclusion that you haven't discussed earlier, do make sure that you think about adding that piece of evidence or so on to the body of your essay. Put it into one of the paragraphs. Okay, so that wraps up the discussion of the sections of the essay. The next video is going to be talking about editing.